Hello, my name is Luis Enrique Mantilla, and today I will present the second part of my Proyecto Integrador. We are going to Module 6, going to explore Module 6, planning a trip, Module 7, if I study hard, Module 8, doing exercise is good for you, covering topics like future plans, conditionals, and the use of gerunds. So, in module 6, we talk about planning a trip. This is nouns, prepositions, adjectives, adverbs, time expressions, or some expressions we used. In module 6, we use be going to for intentions or things we already decide. For example, my friends are going to Cancun next month, or Peter is going to study English tonight. So the affirmative structure, the first subject, verb to be, going to, and main verb in infinitive, more complement. So we are going to travel by plane next year. We can Also, we use it for predictions when we see evidence, like black clouds, meaning it's going to rain. This is the interrogative structure. This is the interrogative, but the word what, while, when, how. So, for example, when is Peter going to study, or how are we going to travel next year? We can also use the present continuous for fixed arrangement with other people. For example, I'm meeting Peter tonight, or all of them are taking the exam next week. Uh, Jason is not coming tonight, or we're catching the train tomorrow. On the other hand, we use will for predictions, promises, or immediate decisions, like when a waiter asks for your order and you say, "I think I'll have some orange juice." This is the interrogative structure. This is the interrogative. This is the negative structure. Um, Adverbs and time expressions. To make our stories better, we use adverbs like soon, now, tonight, or tomorrow. We usually we put them at the end of the sentences, but we can put them at the beginning for emphasis. So in Model 7, we study the zero conditional. Um, we use it for general facts or scientific truth. The structure is simple. If, more present simple, then present simple. An example is if you touch the fire, you burn your hand. This is the affirmative form. The negative form, if you don't water the plants, they die. Um, the first conditional is for real possibilities in the future. We use if present, um, and then will more verb. For example, if she studies hard, she will pass the exam, or if we leave now, we will arrive on time. Or other example, is if it rains, if I will stay home. Um, to link our ideas, we use connectors like due to, because, science, so, therefore, or as a result. This help us explain how one actions lead to another. Finally, in Rule 8, we learn about gerunds. This is adverb, conjunctions, adjective, and some expressions we use. Uh, a gerund is a verb ending in ing that functions as a noun. We can use it as a subject um, of a sentence. For example, smoking is not good for your health, or sleeping is hard when you have troubles. We also use gerunds after verbs of preference. I can say, I love walking on the beach, or I can't stand mopping the floor. If you want to emphasize a general experience, use the ning form. If you talk about specific habits, you can use the infinitive with to. Uh, that the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you.